Hello, everyone. My name is Heather Clark. I currently do my field placement at an agency where I work with children, youth, and their families. I work with children who have experienced abuse and or neglect by their parents, and I work in a treatment unit that where cases need further case planning or children are in foster care or there's a safety plan in place and safety needs to be reestablished and families need to work through the process of reestablishing that safety net and helping reunify families together by case planning, working through the court process, and getting them connected with resources. One of the things that I enjoy about my field placement is getting to work with those families and developing a rapport and seeing them um, work hard in reunifying together. It's great to see them be able to reestablish that safety net for their children and for their families and understand the importance of what needs to be done. Um, to be able to take care of their children and to know that, certain things can't happen. However, in the same token, that's also something that's very frustrating is a lot of families don't want to establish that even in foster care. They don't want to get clean or find housing or, work on their mental health stability, um, or work to not be in a domestic violence relationship in order to get their children back. And that can be very hard because even though you help them, pave the path and they see, what's going to happen and what the consequences are, they just don't want to um, set the way. So one thing that I've learned about myself is that I can't take anything personal, that a lot of people want to blame that the state took my children. And, it's when I first started doing this, I wondered, why would people want to, why are kids in foster care? Like, why, or why are kids safety plan with other people? But then actually, when you get into the agency, you truly understand why. And there are situations where they are isolated incidences and people work really hard to get their children back and they reestablish that safety. But then there are other incidents where the parents, you see them in the system a lot, unfortunately, or there's just, even if it's one time, it's a real serious injury case, it's a sex abuse case. And unfortunately, these are bad experiences for these children. And, I've just learned that I can't take how the parents react personal. So I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and good luck.